Hi, Scott here. So let's talk about communication and the different types of messages that you can receive on the site, primarily from authors. Admin has the ability to actually get involved in any message that you receive from an author. Admin can actually reply in discussion messages, so that's just a given. But so once again, there are really just two types of messages here where you'll be talking to real people, and that is a private message and a discussion message. Okay, so what's the difference between the two? Well, a private message is just a general message that you can send to either admin. So for example, if you clicked contact admin right here, it would bring up a box like this, and this is essentially regarded as a private message on the site. A private message can also be sent right here to writers. Okay, a discussion message are actually the messages that are attached to a given request. So there's always a running dialogue. So if you click view here, you'll see the message that was sent, and then if you click reply, you can send a reply. But you notice that you cannot see the replies in this message. This is just a short way to communicate back and forth between your author. Okay, I click submit. I notice I just misspelled reply. However, if you want to see the actual dialogue or the correspondence that's attached to the request, just click the title like this. Okay, and that'll take you directly into the request, and you'll be able to see all of the dialogue. Now, you can kind of see why we don't put this in there, because it can get rather congested, because sometimes there's quite a bit that gets discussed in a discussion message, and all you need to do is come into the request to look at the discussion right here. Okay, so another neat thing that I want to show you is the purge messages option. Now you noticed how I had it unchecked, right? And that discussion message is now gone. The discussion messages are actually purged off of the home page automatically once you go to the actual request by clicking the title, as I did just a minute ago, regardless of whether or not you have this on. Okay, private messages on the other hand do not. So if I click view, you can see that by the way, all replies will show in here as well. Okay, and if I happen to have the purge messages option on, you'll notice that after viewing it that the highlight goes away, which is indicating that once I refresh, then this message will be purged off of the home page. Alright, so where did it go? Well, it's very simple. It went into the messages area, and because it's a private message, it ends up in the private channel, which is right here, private messages. And you see you have discussion messages, sent, archived, etc. By the way, if you need further clarification on how this area works, and just in general how the whole message system works, just come to the FAQ area and then come in here and type in messages, and you will see it will take you to a help topic on understanding the message system. This will give you everything you need to know about how the message system works. So you can see, if another thing too is, if you do use the purge messages option and you keep your home page free and clean of messages, then you'll notice that the messages tab area will act as an instant notification. Here's what I mean. So here I am on the writer side, and I'm sending I'm going to go ahead and send a message. So here is the writer's discussion board. Well, you can't see it, it's right here. So I click post, so just click test. Alright, now watch it update for you. Okay, so see how that updates? So that will act as instant notification. It also does this for private messages as well too. And then you can just simply click this, right? And then what it will do is it will take you directly into the channel where the message is at, and it is right here. It'll take you into the messages area, and you'll have to actually click the appropriate channel. So this is only beneficial, of course, if you are keeping the home page free and clean of messages, and then you can see that the message is right here. Another nice feature that's available on discussion messages that you're having with writers, also private messages, is you can hire them right out of the message. You can just simply click this like this, and then you can click hire like this, and you'll see it'll give you the ability to create a job request and submit it directly to them. So it's kind of nice. It's a nice feature that we created. So that is how you use the message system. I hope it's been helpful. Please let us know if we can be of further assistance by going to the request content area and contact support. Thanks for watching.